guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Air Jordan 11 Cool Greys. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at probably one of the most iconic Air Jordan 11 colorways, and that is the Cool Greys. We got these in a UK size 7, it's a US men's size 8, and it's European size 41. Medium grey multicolour multi, that's what Nike or Jordan brand have called it. Big shout out to our boy MJ for letting us review his pair of sneakers, and thank you again MJ. These are a bit too small for me, I'm gonna try them on, but thank you for letting me try these on and then for your permission. Big shout out to MJ again, thank you. So let's get unboxing. Oh, you know what, I'm getting way too excited. Let's look at this box. This box is beautiful. Shows you right away that's the grey Cool Greys, and these are really cool. Look at the box with Jumpman logo all around, and here we go. Guys, these are for those OG Jordan sneakerheads. Get a pair if you can. Hopefully they don't sell out. Hopefully you can still get a pair. We were able to get a pair through MJ, our provider, who won on sneakers app, so if he can do it, you guys can. And let's start with the outsole. So starting with the outsole, you got that icy blue outsole. It will yellow over time as much as you wear them, and that's what we want to see. We want to see you guys wear your sneakers, so hopefully these will be yellow in the near future. Icy blue finish again. A lot of Air Jordan 11s come in this beautiful tones. Got traction pods here, so at the forefoot and at the heel. Very nice herringbone traction, you can find it here. Carbon fiber shank plate for your stability, and you can just see through the Jumpman logo on it as well. Moving on to the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is a polyurethane midsole, and just encompassed inside, you've got 2 air units at the heel and at the forefoot. Moving along to the upper, and that's where we've got the beautiful Cool Grey. It's a blend of meshes, sorry. It's a blend of tones of grey, so you can see it here. Just above the midsole, you got that patent leather that you can always find on Air Jordan 11s. Well, the big ones, your Space Jams, your Concords, and your Playoffs. Here you can find it in this nice grey finish. Just above it, so whereas those 11s I mentioned just prior to this, the Space Jams, the Concords, and the Playoff 11s, they come in a ballistic mesh, whereas these come in a nubucky materials. You can see it here, just above the patent leather. You got round laces there and there on the other side. The tongue, again, is made out of that nubuck material, and as always, on a lot of Air Jordan 11s, you've got the Jumpman Jordan logo on the middle. So if you tilt it to the side, it says Jumpman Jordan. That's the right side, yeah. Jumpman Jordan, if you read it from that side. Guys, totally forgot. So here at the very heel, on the lateral side of the sneaker, you got that Jumpman. Always find that in all the Air Jordan 11s. At the heel, you can see the layering of the paint leather, that nubuck, and to this mesh where the ankle support is, and you got the numbers 23. To my memory, I don't believe Jordan wore these. These have been worn by many Air Jordan athletes in the past. Someone did wear it recently. My mind's a blank at the minute, so guys, if you know any NBA players that have worn the Cool Greys 11s, let me know in the comment section below. We'd like to know. You might have worn them for the Wizards. Guys, like, fact check me on that, please. Fact check me on that. On the inside of the tongue, you've got quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever, Michael Jordan. found on the inside. And on the inner as well, you got the Jumpman logo found on this inner. Now guys, these sneakers have a lot of memories. For Jeff as well, we share the same uncle, and growing up I always remember him wearing these, and I was thinking to myself, these cool greys, these are the most cool, I'm gonna say cool a lot guys, these are the most cool sneakers I've ever seen. And flash forward 20 years later, we're able to review it. Unfortunately, these aren't mine. I really wish I would got a pair. I didn't. Always loose on sneakers. Guys, if you're regular viewers to this, you'll soon realise that I don't win on sneakers. Jeff doesn't win on sneakers, nor Chris. It is either my brother, big shout out to him as well, he's provided us with a lot of content. And MJ, you guys, I don't know how you guys do it, you gotta let me know, what are your little tips and tricks, if you got any, let us know. We wanna hit more, we wanna give you more content, we wanna give you more sneakers to watch us review. With all that said, I'm gonna try these on. Just a little warning, these are gonna be a bit too small for me, so I'm gonna moan because they're gonna be tight. But that's just how I feel, and regardless, these are gonna look so dope on. Can't wait for you to see the footage of me trying these on, so roll out footage of me trying these cool greys on. When it comes to the fit guys, I'm not gonna lie, half a size to what I usually wear isn't that bad. It's not even that tight or anything, so I'd recommend, if you've got thin socks on, like I do at the minute, get a half size down. These look so dope on. It's those OG colorways, and I'm happy. MJ, listen mate, I might have to take these. Sorry MJ. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with the Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.